When I first started affiliate marketing, I thought it would be easy money. I joined Amazon Associates, built my storefront, added some products, and waited for the income to roll in. But after weeks of posting and promoting, my balance still said zero. I was doing everything I thought I was supposed to do, but nothing was working. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B. Life by Sharon B. I share real ways to earn online, from work-from-home jobs and brand deals to affiliate marketing that actually pays. If that's your lane too, make sure to subscribe and stick around until the end, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how I went from $0 to over $500 with affiliate links and how you can start too. My turning point came when a brand called Black Girl Vitamins reached out to me after seeing some of my content. They liked that I was already sharing real wellness products and offered me my own link and code, SharonB45, that gives anyone who uses it 20% off. It was my first real creator partnership, and I didn't need thousands of followers to get it. I just needed to be consistent and authentic. I started sharing my code naturally in my Facebook posts, Instagram captions, and stories. I added it to my bio and pinned it in comments. But here's what surprised me. Most of my affiliate sales didn't come from TikTok or YouTube. They came from Facebook and Instagram. That's where my audience already trusted me and where I was just being myself. After a few weeks, I started seeing my first sales. Then another and another. Soon, my affiliate dashboard showed over $2,200 in product sales and more than $500 earned in commissions, all from just sharing one link.
It's simple. The customer clicks your affiliate link, buys from the brand, and that action triggers a commission payment directly to you.
If you're new to this, here's what I learned. Start with brands you already use and love. Post consistently, not just once. Add your link everywhere in bios, posts, and comments. And track your performance so you know what's working. Don't worry about being perfect, just be real. Even with a small audience, you can make consistent income if your content connects with people. So that's how I went from $0 on Amazon to over $500 with Black Girl Vitamins. It wasn't overnight. It was about showing up, staying consistent, and promoting with purpose. If you want to see what I'm promoting right now, check the links in the description. My Black Girl Vitamins affiliate link, my Amazon storefront, and my TikTok showcase are all there.
Consistency is key, guys. Make sure you're posting daily and promoting the products you love. Don't forget to add your link everywhere. To really grow your platform, you have to stay consistent. Promote the products you love daily and make sure that link is everywhere.
And remember, every big creator started small. Start where you are, promote what you love, and your audience will follow. This is Sharon B. Life by Sharon B, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.